And in the next type, we got roof by face. Let's talk about it. Right here, roof by face, to create a roof using a non-vertical face of a mass. And we use this when we got a surface using by conceptual mass. For instance, I want to create a wall up to level 2 like this way. After having completed the walls, I open massing inside, place mass, or we can open conceptual mass that we talked about it before, so I don't want to get through these details again, since you're supposed that you're already familiar with them, but I draw these reference planes for the surface. I consider 1200 for the overhang for each of the sides, like this way. Well done. Then I want to draw some lines at the center as lines that we want to draw the cross sections on them. Edit, I add dimension lines and equalized. Then I want to assign a name to these reference planes and convert them to some work planes. A, B, C, D. Well done. I open the sub view. Then from massing inside, I click on in place mass. After assigning the name, we click on OK. Firstly, we should set the work plane on A. And then we can use drawing tools to draw the surface using mass. I draw a line or curve, then I set the work plane to be drawing an SV line like this way. Then I set it to C, drawing the third curve. And down the fourth one, D, I draw another line by this way. Then I open the 3D view. Then we can create the surfaces. Let's see. I again set it. Nothing is left. I open the 3D view. Since we have skipped one of them, I want to make a copy out of this. Copy, and I uncheck constraint, then I place it. Well done. And here, as you can see, we have skipped this one. Let me check it. The host is B. I set it to C. Done. Better. Then I can select these curves and then create form to convert them to a surface. Then we can select these control points and deform the surface. We can modify it in the way we want, like this way. Check it out, and then I click on finish. Right now, if I convert the face or surface to the roof from architecture tab, roof by face, selecting the type of the roof like basic roof, and then I click on the face and then create roof, and this will be created out of the surface created by mass, like this way. When we use surfaces, here pick face location, as you can see, we can set it to faces at top of the roof or faces at bottom of the roof. So we can specify the pick face location from bottom or to the top, like this way. Check it out. And then I can select the wall, attach them to the roof, like this way. And I can hide the surface if we don't need it or hiding it. I open the visibility, mass, and then I uncheck it. This is the result. Watch this. So by this way we can use roof by face for creating roofs, but note that we have to use conceptual maps for creating surfaces, and these are used in the roofs that are complicated specific designings.